In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pre-fill tools in your agreements with Docusign. This is a fantastic feature that can streamline the process of creating and managing your electronic documents, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. Whether you're an experienced Docusign user or just starting out, these steps will help you master the pre-fill tools with ease. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and go to Docusign's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply follow the on-screen prompts to create one, and then log in. Now that you're in, let's go to the Docusign home where you can access a wide array of powerful tools for your electronic agreements. Next, we're headed to the Templates section. Click on the Templates option on the home screen. This area allows you to create reusable templates for your documents, a huge time saver for those commonly used forms or agreements. To start a new template, just click on the Create Template button. This step is essential as it sets up a blank canvas for your agreement. Here, you have the opportunity to insert all the standard details you might need, making future agreements quick and easy to prepare. Now let's add the specifics to your template. You'll see a prompt to add details. Enter any relevant information at this stage, such as the template name or the basic content needed for your documents. The key is to input anything standard that doesn't change much between uses. Moving forward, it's time to upload your document. Click on the upload button and locate the file on your desktop that you'd like to use for your agreement. Select this file to incorporate it within your template. Once your document is uploaded, ensure you name it appropriately so it's easily recognizable for future use. Click on the name field and type in a descriptive title. This ensures clarity, especially when you have numerous templates in your library. With all the basic setup done, proceed by clicking on Next. It's here that you can start refining your template even further by adding necessary fields. To make your document dynamic and customized, you'll want to focus on using custom fields. Click on Custom Fields to tailor your document to meet specific needs. This is where the pre-fill magic truly happens. Customize it with inputs that would vary, for example, recipient names, dates, or any placeholders you anticipate filling in each time. By following these steps, you've set up a framework that not only automates agreement creation, but also enhances accuracy and consistency across your documents. Practice a couple of times to get comfortable with the process, and soon you'll be navigating Docusign's pre-fill tools like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy document designing.